Hello everyone, welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now we bring you a quick and easy, but very useful tip. How to use AAA batteries in a remote that uses AA batteries. Whether because we ran out or we don't have them on hand, I will show you how to make them fit and work in your remote temporarily, since as you can see in the video there is a fairly wide space for it to make contact. I don't know if it has happened to you that we want to change the channel, turn up the volume, or simply turn off the television and we hit the remote, flip the batteries and so on, and none of this works because the batteries have no life left. We look for new or used batteries from other remotes only to realize that they are not the right size, in this case AAA, and we need AA, so what to do in this particular case? We are going to need the remote, the AAA batteries, and in this case a more or less large piece of aluminum foil as shown below in the video. We are going to fold it to make two small rectangles that fill the space between the battery and the positive side of the control, more or less the size that I show you. We grab the aluminum foil and start folding it in half several times until we have the size we need. This without having to be perfect, since we can finish it and shape it with scissors once we finish folding it. It is more or less the size depending on the control, since there are springs that make the batteries fit tighter. We take the remote control and put in the AAA battery and we will see that it has a space, and that is why it does not make contact. We grab one of the pieces of aluminum and put it between the positive side of the battery and where it makes contact with it, and make sure it is right and makes contact. We do exactly the same with the other battery, making sure the piece of aluminum makes contact. If it doesn't, cut it to the size you need with scissors. Now we test it and see that it works correctly. And so you don't say that I didn't show it to you working. There is the control with the batteries in with the aluminum, and I give myself the task of testing the control. As you can see, it works well without any problem, as if it had the AA battery. Try all the functions and you will see that they work the same. As you can see, this is a very simple tip and you can use it at home. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share, which is the most important thing. Give us a like on the Facebook page and remember to watch the other videos. I assure you that you will find one that will be useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thanks.